After the repeater, we have the hub. The hub is another networking device that helps in connecting the nodes together and forms a network. The main purpose of a hub is to make a network. An interesting thing about the hub is that it can do what exactly a repeater does. So just like a repeater, a hub can also repeat and boost the signals from the sender to the receiver and vice versa. Now the question you must ask is, if the hubs can do what a repeater does, then what is the difference between them? So you see, a repeater is only a two-port device. You cannot connect more than two devices directly to the repeater. For that, hubs have more than two ports, and thus they are a kind of multi-port repeaters. Besides repeating or retransmitting the signals, the hubs are also used to make networks by using their multiple ports. Several hubs can be joined together to form an even bigger network. So you can connect 5 or 6 devices to one hub, and you can connect the remaining network devices to another hub, and you can join those two hubs, and those devices will form an even bigger network. Just like repeaters, the hubs also work on the physical layer or the layer 1 of the OSI model. So you should remember that the hubs also work on the layer 1 or the physical layer of the OSI model. An interesting point to be noted about hub is that it is not an intelligent device. It always floods the channel in which it is associated. So even if you are sending a private message to anyone, the message will be flooded across every device that is connected to the hub. There are two types of hubs depending on how they work with the supply of energy: active hubs and passive hubs. The first one is the active hub, and these hubs operates on a power supply. These types of hubs need a supply of electricity to work because they amplify or boost the signals, which requires external energy. These hubs can regenerate a bad signal as well as amplify an attenuated signal too. While passive hubs, on the other hand, do not need external electricity to work. These hubs simply connect to the devices and they do nothing else. They neither regenerate the signals nor amplify them. They just pass the incoming signal from the sender to the receiver as it is.